Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here. Today I'm back for another awesome video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a lot of special liveried airplanes. I haven't done an unboxing video in quite some time, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Also subscribe for more if you guys aren't subscribed yet. I do tons of different videos in 1 to 400 scale model airport here. Different model airports, that is. Also Instagram and TikTok at Model Airport Nation. Without further ado, everybody, let's get right into the video. All right, everybody, here are the new airplanes that I have got. You can see for yourself here. You know, I figured, you know what, let's start out with the new Wish here. So right off the bat here, we have the Disney Wish Air Canada 787-9. I thought this was a really good movie. I've been waiting some time to get this one ever since it was announced. Just trying to get all the Air Canada special livery 787s. Let's take a look at it. All right, guys, here it is out of the box. We have the new Air Canada 787-9 and the Wish livery. Wow, that is incredible. Let's get it on the turntable here so you guys can get a better view of it. Looks like it's painted around it. Let's get the front of it here. Absolutely amazing. Here is the Air Canada Wish 787-9 here. I believe this is by Phoenix Models. I know Aviation 400 made one as well. Could be wrong though. But really happy with this release here. Lots of details you guys can see on the top. There's antennas. The engines look amazing. The wings look amazing. You could tell probably some details are off if you look like super close, I assume, but I think it looks great. I'm happy with it. Let's take a look at the bottom here. Air Canada logo here. Landing gear looks great. You have to take really good care of this one, especially take care of all your models, but wow, guys. Got number 1 right here. Look at that. Let's get to number 2. Next up, we have the Super Mario World Airbus A320neo. Spirit Airlines. It's really cool. I know there's a bunch of different collectors or companies making this airplane as well, but I couldn't wait. I wanted to get this one for myself. This one is from Blue Box Models. So there we have it. Let's get it open. All right, guys, here we have it. Spirit Airlines Airbus A320neo Super Mario World livery. I'm excited for Super Mario World to open in Orlando, Florida here with the new Epic Universe, Universal Studios Park. That's going to be amazing. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. You know, I could wait another, almost a year for more of these to come out from a different seller, or manufacturer, but honestly, I think this gets the job done for now. Lots of quality on this aircraft here as well. Let's take a look at the top here. Sorry about the lighting, guys. Trying to get you guys. Universal Studios on the engine here. Super Nintendo World. Wow. Sorry, guys. I got a new phone here, and I'm trying to make sure the adjusting the camera looks good here for you guys. There we go. Lots of detail on this model, though. Very happy with it. Hope you guys enjoy this video as well. I'm seeing all the different liveries here. So here is the bottom of the airplane again. If I haven't shown it yet, here it is. It's pretty solid to me. You know, could probably be a little bit more detailed, but like I said, I think it gets the job done. Thank you, Blue Box Models, for creating such an amazing airplane here. Let's get on to the next airplane. Next up, we have the JetBlue Airbus A320 and the Blue Yorker. Blue Yorker and the Blue Livery by NG Models. Been wanting this airplane for quite some time now. Kind of go with the other JetBlue planes, the new liveries. But yeah, let's get this open. All right, guys, here it is. Coming out of the box here. Gently sit it on here. The turntable would go here. Give you guys a nice view of it. Blue Yorker, JetBlue new livery here. I think they're gonna start painting all of them kind of like this. So that'll be cool to see. Give you guys a nice close view of it here. I think they did, wow, the engines look amazing on this. I think they did an amazing job with all the details on this. Thank you, NG Models. You guys did awesome. So that's pretty much all I have to say here. JetBlue on the bottom. Wow, this is just amazing. The engines look so cool on this. But yeah, guys, there it is. There you have it. Next up, we have the JetBlue A320 in the Peacock livery. Been wanting this ever since it was like released. Pretty much wanted all these since they were announced. And it's been quite some time, but finally got it. Be able to showcase this at pretty much all my airports. So let's get it open. So coming out of the box here, it looks like we have a landing gear that came off, but thankfully I'm prepared for this with glue and stuff. You know, that shouldn't happen when you're paying for these, but you know, I guess it is what it is. Just gonna glue it back on. But yeah, guys, let me get this fixed really quick, and then we will continue this airplane. All right, guys, we have this gluing up here. Just put a little bit of the Gorilla Glue here on the right wheel there, so we'll just let that sit for about 3 minutes. All right, guys, and second to last here, we have the Airbus A320 JetBlue, also in one of the newer liveries here. Different registration from these. Definitely had to pick this up. I think this is Phoenix models. Let me just double check for you guys here. Let's see, we got the JetBlue. This is from, let's see, November 82544. So this is Phoenix models. So Phoenix models is in the A320 game here. I think they've been for a while. Let's get it open. Guys, here it is in the packaging. Let's check it out. It looks pretty good to me. This gear looks like it's turned a little bit, but I'm just gonna hope that just doesn't break off. Set it down here. All right, guys, here it is on the turntable here. Give you guys a nice close look. I think they blew it out of the park here with this one. Besides the one little landing gear there that's slightly off. I think the colors, the details, absolutely amazing. This is going to add a lot of realism to my model airports. So I'm very happy with this. And I don't even have any like JetBlues with little winglets like this. So that is amazing. Split scimitars. No, not split scimitar, but these are the, I forget what the name of these guys are, but lots of detail on this one. Really happy to have this in my collection. Hope you guys are enjoying this video here. So yeah, there we have so far. This other guy is on the Peacock A320 is almost done gluing here. So maybe we'll just do that one last here. So second to last, we have the JetBlue A320 by Baby Bus or Aero Classics. Got a few models from Aero Classics. JetBlue here. So guys, here it is. Finally have a JetBlue normal like A320. I haven't really ever had too many JetBlue planes, so this is obviously adding an army here. Let's get it on the turntable here so you guys can see it better. So this is actually, after I ordered it, I didn't realize that this is actually the same registration as this one over here. So technically, in real life, this plane is this one painted in the newer colors. So, but honestly, you're not looking too close in on it, and there are many JetBlue airplanes out there right now that aren't painted in the newer colors. So this will definitely add a lot more realism to the airports, as, like I said, there's not many painted in the newer liveries yet. So that's gonna look really cool. A lot of detail on this airplane as well. They all have their own strengths and weaknesses, I think. And you can tell that this one's a lot less scale than this one here and that one there. So I think my turntable is almost out of battery here, but take a look at the bottom here. Yeah, but you know, it's not the best quality, but I think they definitely did a good job on it. And you get a spot for a stand at least too, so I think it serves its purpose here in the model airport world here. All right, guys, last here we have the Peacock airplane. It's glued in pretty good. This Gorilla Glue glues like within like 30 seconds usually, so it does a pretty good job. Trust me, I've done my fair share of adhesives and, you know, really quick type dry gluing. And yeah. All right, guys, last year we had the JetBlue Peacock A320. What an amazing airplane. I'm very happy with it. This is by Phoenix Models, I believe. I've been wanting this ever since it was announced. Look at this. Really cool looking. I think my turntable is running out of battery here, but lots of details on this plane. I think they're going to be keeping like the, you know, the Peacock, the New York Fire one, the I Love New York one I think they still have. I hope they keep those for like a long time. The Pittsburgh, the Irish one. I hope they keep the special livery ones for a while and not paint them all different. And if they do, that's great, but, you know, try to make the airport as realistic as possible. I'm still going to keep the JetBlue E190 that they retired. I'm still going to keep that one out too, because just, one, it's a rare model, two, it's really cool, and three, you know, it just helps make the airport look more realistic. So, look at that. What an amazing airplane here. Did a great job with it. Again, let's check the bottom of it here. Absolutely stunning, guys. All right, everybody, I'd like to thank you guys again for watching today. Here are all the new releases that I have purchased. I also have more coming in the near future, so stay tuned. I'm trying to get a bunch of the Gemini Jets ones that were released in the last month or two. Kind of feel like I need to keep up with the game here, but also I just kind of collecting, you know, kind of what I want to collect. And what looks realistic with the airport, because you got to keep up with American Airlines, United, Delta, Spirit, JetBlue, Air Canada, you know, all the different airlines. So, but here's one last close look. I think they did an amazing job on all these. Obviously, unfortunately, sometimes you are going to get parts that are falling off, and that's just, it shouldn't be the way it is, but sometimes, you know, that's just the way it is. So I'm prepared just to glue them back on if parts do come off. But we're going to take really good care of these new airplanes to our fleet here. So yeah, I'd like to thank you guys again for watching today. Please subscribe for more. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed the video. Also Instagram and TikTok at Model Airport Nation here. Really thank you guys for your support. Means the world to me. I just do this because I love to do it. I love airplanes, aviation, and I'm just happy to do this. So thank you guys, and thank you to jetcollector.com for sending me these airplanes. Paid for these with my own money. Absolutely amazing additions to the fleet here. Happy collecting, everybody. After I filmed, I realized they'd probably look better on this white cardstock here. But here's just a better view of them, guys, just so you can see them a little better. I think the next video I'll kind of do it like this. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video.